Both the book and my video do a pretty decent job, I think, of explaining why E naught cell is equal to 0.0257 volts divided by N times the natural log of K, where N is the number of moles transferred and 0.0257 volts is just some constants kind of crunched down from the Nernst equation. But it doesn't, neither one of them do a good job of explaining how you get the base 10 version of this same equation. So here's an argument that will help you with that maybe. Let's say for argument's sake that the natural log of K is equal to a value we're just going to call Y. If you take E and raise both sides, raise E to both sides, I should say, you get E as natural log of K on the left-hand side and E to the Y on the right-hand side. But E to natural log K is just K, so K is E to the Y. Now, to start the process of transferring this into base 10, let's take the base 10 logarithm of both sides of this equation. That tells you that base 10 log of K is equal to log E to the Y. But log E to the Y is just Y log E. So base 10 log of K is Y log E. But we know what Y is. It's defined up here as natural log of K. So that means that log of K, base 10 log of K, is natural log of K times the base 10 log of E. So that means that the natural log of K is the base 10 log of K divided by the base 10 log of E. So going back to this original equation that we started with up here, we can make a substitution. So we can say E naught cell is equal to 0.0257 volts over N times the natural log of K. But we now know that the natural log of K can be thought of as the base 10 log of K over the base 10 log of E, which ends up being 0.0257 volts over N times the base 10 log of E evaluates as 0.4343, and then this is times the base 10 log of K. So when you crunch this all down, you find out that E cell is can also be thought of as 0.0592 volts over N, the number of moles transferred, times the base 10 log of K. So this is an equivalent equation to the equation that we started with, but just in base 10 rather than base E. So now you know how that happened, a mystery that was left out in the video in the book.